Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips video on recovering your lost streaks on Snapchat. If you are freaking out because you just lost a long streak on Snapchat and you believe it wasn't your fault, you can actually request Snapchat to give you back your streak. It's easy to do and I'll show you how. Open up the Snapchat app and go to your settings. From the settings, tap on Help Center. Tap on Contact Us and then choose My Snap Streaks Have Disappeared. You will then need to fill out a form with all the relevant info as to how and why your Snap streak has disappeared. Don't forget to include the username of the person you had the streak with. Once you have sent this form, the Snap support team will analyse it and get back to you within a couple of days. And with a bit of luck, your Snap streak will be restored. And that draws an end to this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel for more Snapchat tips and tricks in the future.